Morning students. Today I am going to start the chapter Understanding Quadrilaterals. Before that, we have to understand that is what is polygon. Quadrilateral is also a polygon, and to understand polygon, these are the terms which is very much required. Number one, suppose what is a curve? A figure traced out on a plane surface with the help of a sharp pencil without lifting is called the curve. Suppose I am just taking one without lifting, I am just making one line. So this is actually called the curve. Now curve may be classified into two ways. One is open curve, another is closed curve. When a curve that does not end at the starting point, suppose this is starting point and this is ending point, so it is not actually the same point. So this type of curve is actually called the open curve. See here, this is a starting point and end is here. So this is not the same point. Starting point, end point not same. Here these are also same. So this type of curves are called open curve. Now closed curve, what does it mean? A curve that begins and ends at the same point. Suppose it starts from here. It has gone over there like this, come, and also just the end point is the starting point. So these type of figures, what we are just getting, all these are closed curve. Now the closed curve can be classified into simple and not simple. What is that? Suppose simple closed figure is there is an interaction between any two curves. That is any two curves. Here this figure, this is intersecting this one. This is also intersecting these 2 points. So these are actually called non-simple closed curve. This is actually the concept of the closed curve. Now coming to the polygon. What is that? A simple closed curve. See, a simple closed curve made up of only line segments. Line segment, I do believe everybody know line segment is called a polygon. So any curve, now it is not like this. It is a line segment. Line segment means all are straight line. All are straight line. These are called line segments. So any simple closed curve made up of only line segment are called a polygon. Now we are now classify these polygons. What type of polygons are there? There are two types of polygons specially. This one is called concave polygon, another is called convex polygon. Concave means a polygon in what at least one angle is more than 180 degrees called a concave polygon. See, these are the two polygons. All these are actually, this is a closed figure and the line segments are there, and these are the angle. This is the angle over here and this is the angle over here. We see actually more than 180 degrees. At least a polygon which at least one angle more than 180 degree. Those type of polygons are called concave polygon. Now next is convex polygon. A polygon in which each angle is less than 180 degree. No angle is more than 180. Less than 180. Those type of polygons are called convex polygons. What we are actually just looking for. Now this is a quadrilateral, this is triangle, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is actually one hexagon. Now these are the types of the polygons. Now polygons may be regular, may be irregular. What is regular polygon? A polygon having all sides and all angles are equal is called a regular polygon. All sides must be equal, all angles must be equal. Here, if it is a quadrilateral, then it will be a square. If it is a triangle, it will be an equilateral triangle. So, if I am just taking one rhombus whose sides are equal to each other, but the angles are not equal, so this is actually not a regular polygon. This is a polygon, irregular polygon. It may be one rectangle also. Opposite sides are equal, angles are 90 degree. Here angles are 90 degree, but sides are not equal, so they are actually irregular. Angles and sides must be, each angle and each sides must be equal, then it will be a regular polygon, otherwise it is irregular polygon. Now just to measure the sides and the number of sides and the angles of any polygon, if it is regular polygon, then we do have some formulas. We can establish those formulas also. Right now you just try to understand the formulas. What are the formulas? Suppose for a regular polygon of n sides, each exterior angle measurement, it will be 360 by n number of sides. Suppose if it is a triangle n sides n equal to 3, and each exterior angle will be 360, each exterior angle will be 360 by 3, it will be 120 degree, like this. Each interior of an angle is exterior. If I am just deducting the total angle of 180 degree, if I am just deducting this exterior angle, then interior will coming. So 180 minus is exterior angle. Now for any convex quadrilateral or any polygon, the sum of exterior angle will be 4 into right angles, that is 4 into 90 degree, it will be 360 degree. The sum of all exterior angle, it will be 360 degree. Sum of all interior angle, it will be 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. N here is actually number of sides, and the number of diagonals of a polygon, it will be of n sides. Number of sides may be whatever, maybe just put the value over there only. N sides, it will be n into n minus 3 by 2. So with the help of, suppose I am just taking the number of diagonals of pentagon, then n it will be 5. So just put the value over here and you will get the number of diagonals. In my next video, we shall establish all those formulas and just give the depth knowledge of the polygons and the measurement of the angles and sides. Thank you.